Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to quickly make your own Minecraft texture pack. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your computer and search for template resource pack. Click on the first link, go to the file section and select the version you want. Download the file and once it's done, go to your downloads folder to locate it. Now extract the file and open the folder. Navigate to Assets, Minecraft, then Textures. Here you will find folders labeled for different textures. Open any folder and you will see various image files. These are the textures you will edit. You can use any image editing software like Photoshop to modify these textures. Open a texture, make your edits and save it. Just remember to save the file with the exact same name it had before. This is crucial for the texture pack to work properly. Once you have finished editing, go back to the main folder, select everything and compress it into a zip file. Now open Minecraft, go to Settings, then Resource Packs and click Open Pack Folder. This is where you will paste the zip file you just created. And that's it. You can now enjoy your custom-made Minecraft texture pack. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.